Let us prepare Panchakajjaya, which is served as Naivedya in Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Welcome to Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. Fry 3 cups of moong dal in a pan. Panchakajjaya is a sweet with 5 main ingredients. Here we are making moong dal Panchakajjaya in 2 ways. Fry moong dal until it changes its color. Transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. In the same pan, fry 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds until it splutters. Transfer it to a bowl. Again, fry 2 cups of grated coconut in the same pan. Fry the coconut until you get a good aroma of the coconut and also it turns out brown in color. Now, in a dry mixer jar, take 1 cup of sugar and grind it coarsely. And then transfer it to a bowl. Then grind moong dal into powder and transfer half of the quantity into one bowl and rest into the other bowl. Now grind coconut and transfer half of the quantity to one bowl and rest to the other. These two partitions are made because we are preparing Panchakajjaya in 2 ways. In one bowl we have powdered sugar, powdered moong dal, powdered coconut. To this add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of ghee and mix well. Add cashews and mix well. Now, take the remaining coconut powder in a bowl. Add 1 cup of grated jaggery and mix well. Add this mixture into the bowl of powdered moong dal and then add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of ghee and mix well. And add cashews and mix it again. Adding sesame seeds and cashews are completely optional as Panchakajjaya is mainly of fiber. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for your notifications.